Morning YouTube. Good morning plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today has the potential to be ugly. And for today's mission, we have a clogged sewer next door to my shop. Hopefully knock it out relatively quickly. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. Give her a flush. My man, thank you. Oh, I see some water.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, we ain't getting nothing.
Where the water going?
It's backing up.
You can do it again.
Yeah, go ahead, give it a flush. Oh, now we can see. Very super slow trickle.
Probably. It's being broken somewhere.
Oh, now we got flow. All right. Huh. So that means maybe your sewer is connected earlier.
It's flowing now?
Yeah, but it might be possible back there in. All right, cool.
That holding that.
Oh, okay. I'll tell you what, let's run some water down too.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, my man, cool. Show us, I got this already, you think? Hold on, show, cool. I just want to run some water first.
I thought he would get the sand
Oh,
out.
I got you.
You know,
Why start now, right?
I want to put a nice job there.
Yeah, baby. We'll get you a real clean out too. How about that?
Yeah.
That's right there, baby. I gotta make sure it doesn't come up in your office. Oh yeah, here it comes. It's filling. Oh, your toilet's filling up too.
That's it. Now, go ahead. Don't worry about it. Let the system go.
Oh yeah? Are we getting the shots of all shots, boys?
I told you.
Oh, it comes out the toilet bolt hole. I like that.
That's how clogged it is.
Alright, so we're gonna put the snake in the back. Alright, cool. Oh yeah.
Come on, baby. There's the paper.
Oh, there it is. The money shot.
Send the money shot.
How's your place up here? You busy as hell up there?
Yeah.
You worked last night. You tell any of them Eagle fans up there?
We're stuck in that traffic real fast.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're about to go to them.
¿Cómo? ¿También? Ay, padre santo.
Why you got the video camera?
I got a YouTube channel, dog. Come on, I need you to subscribe.
And you got the video camera. GoPro.
There you got the big stuff before
Ahí está el pastel en caja. Míralo ahí donde está.
Chuck, you know what the guy from the city one time did? He had the long stick.
Well, I'm about to go get mine in a second.
And they got like the little
The plunger, yo.
And he went like this, look. One time. Bang, that bitch went whoop, came right out.
All right. I like it.
That shit was like magic that time.
You gotta get my plunger.
he hit the same shit like that. Didn't go down yet. Turn it on.
Nothing coming in there, is there?
Is the whole word still?
Right, yeah, I understand that, but you're saying this.
It's going down. It's going down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got something you guys can use here. We're gonna go with the old low ball. Boom. Let's see what happens here. Come on, baby. I actually used one of these blow balls in I had a split level house where I would have had to rip down the whole ceiling. Couldn't get the snake in, snake wouldn't clear it. Last resort was one of these little baby blow balls you put in the line. That jug has cleared that line.
Good to go.
Good to go. The water off. See what happens. She still got some stuff. I'm gonna let it run some more. Matter of fact, I'll run this while I'm packing up my gear. Be a good 20 minutes. There we go. Oh yeah.
Over this one. Who's there in the food over
Hey Pete, can you flush your toilet there? Yeah, I want to see what happens here. Thank you. Well, here. Boom. There it goes. Alright, that's the ball pulsating through. Now I'm going to flush the toilet. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, good. That came right out?
That came right out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Blowing like crazy. I'll tell you what, go ahead and flush,
Flush.
and we'll turn the hose on too.
Okay.
Oh yeah. See, they get a lot of gravel in there. I'm going to do some type of clean out in there. Alright. You can turn that hose on too. Yep. There it is. Now we got some serious flow going, folks. Alright. I would call that a wrap. And in the sewer world, we would call that It's all downhill from here. And there goes another satisfied customer.